Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Ford key fob. It's super easy, and the best part? You'll save money by doing it yourself. Here's what you'll need. A new battery. Check your key fob for the correct type, usually a CR2032. A small flathead screwdriver. Gently insert the screwdriver into the seam of the key fob casing. Carefully twist to pop the center section out. Be sure not to scratch the plastic or damage any internal components. Remove the old battery. It should come out easily, but take your time if it's snug. Replace it with your new battery. Make sure the positive plus symbol side is facing the right way, just like the one you removed. Push the casing back together firmly until it clicks. It should fit snugly with no gaps. Test your key fob to make sure everything works, lock, unlock, and any other functions. That's it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Ford key fob. Quick, simple, and no trip to the dealer. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more DIY car tips. Thanks for watching.